Known as Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's whole life journey is an inspiration for one and all. Dr. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. His father Jainulabdin was a boat owner and his mother Ashiyama was a homemaker. He came from a financially poor background and used to distribute newspapers to support his family's income. He completed his schooling from Rameshwaram Elementary School. In 1954, he graduated in physics from St. Joseph's College in Tiruchirappalli. In 1955, he joined the Madras Institute of Technology and studied aerospace engineering. Dr. Kalam's dream was to become a fighter pilot, but he was ranked 9th while the IAF offered only 8 slots. He was a very simple person who owned a few possessions, including a simple coat, a lungi, his beloved veena, and a collection of books. He didn't even have a television. He was a kind-hearted man with no show or flamboyance. His love for children was always evident. As soon as the program got over, he would cross the barricades to interact freely with the children, speak at length with them, and motivate them to take up challenges. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday, October 15, is celebrated as World Students' Day. Dr. Kalam emerged as a superb team leader and a technologist par excellence in his scientific career. From 1963 to 1980, his career was spent in space research with the founding of India's space program by Vikram Sarabhai under the Indian Committee for Space Research, which became ISRO. The successful launch of the satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 was a high point of Kalam's space stint, which propelled India into a select band of countries with rocket launching capability. After this success, he was shifted to the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO to head the missile project and was made the director of Defense Metallurgical Research Laboratory DMRL in Hyderabad in 1982.
Hi everyone, my name is Adnan Abdul Nasser. I am from class 10th A1. Today I am here to speak a few words on topic ideal student. So before going to the topic ideal student, first I will describe what a student is. A person who wishes to acquire knowledge and skill or wisdom in a particular field can be described as a student. So if you look at what an ideal student is, in my opinion, an ideal student must be very respectful towards his teachers, elders and parents, etc. Also, one should be very obedient and punctual in his life, because these two matters very much in every student's career. And in my opinion, I think every student must be able to face his failures, because this is very important in everyone's life. Failure comes in everyone's life, so we want to learn how to face failures and rise once again. This is very important. Also, I think an ideal student does not waste his time and energy on non-productive things, because majority of the students waste their energy and time in non-productive things, and ideal student will not do that. So this is my video. I hope everyone enjoyed my video. Thank you and have a nice day.
More than 80 years ago, a boy was born in a small village called Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram is in Tamil Nadu, a state in India. In this map, you can see Tamil Nadu in the southern part of India. It is marked in red. The boy's name was APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul was from a poor family. To help his family, Abdul would distribute newspapers after school. Abdul was a very hard-working student who would often study for long hours. Abdul's hard work helped him reach one of the best colleges in India. In college, Abdul studied science for 4 years. Abdul's hard work in college helped him become a scientist. As a scientist, he created many missiles. Here is a picture of one of the missiles he created. and came to be known as Missile Man of India. After working as a scientist for many years, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam became the President of India. Here is the picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the President of India from 2002 to the year 2007. During his time as President, Dr. Abdul Kalam met lakhs of children. Dr. Abdul Kalam loved interacting with children. He loved meeting children. And he also loved listening to their views. Here are some questions for you. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the dash of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the President of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the President of India from dash to dash. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the President of India from the year 2002 to 2007. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam loved interacting with dash. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam loved interacting with children. Here are some activities for you. Speak to your partner about how APJ Abdul Kalam worked hard as a child. What will you do to become like APJ Abdul Kalam? Write a few lines about this. Find a book about Dr. Abdul Kalam in your school library.
Well, succeeding life, I have already told you.
Yes, sir.
You have to do 4 things, okay? Number 1, repeat with me. Number 1, you repeat.
Number 1,
Great aim.
great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will
I will
continuously acquire knowledge. Continuously acquire knowledge.
continuously acquire knowledge.
Oh, I will do hard work.
Good morning. I'm Shafna Salam of class 10th A1 and I'm here to speak about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's contribution to Indian Space Research Organization. Dr. Kalam was part of the Indian National Committee for Space Research, which was set up by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, father of Indian Space Program. INGOSPA, the team of rocket engineers, of which Kalam was part, set up the Tamba Equatorial Rocket Launching System Station that is used by ISRO to launch sounding rockets even today. Kalam was also the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3, which successfully deployed the Rohini satellite in near-Earth orbit. Kalam has also played a contributory role in the development of Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, which is also known as PCLV. Kalam has also won the prestigious Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan for his contribution to ISRO and DRDO, as well as for his role as a scientific advisor to the government of India. Thanks.
Only an idle student can change their life. Good morning everyone, I am Nainika Manoj from class 10th A. Today I am here to present a few words on the topic idle student. First of all, let me wish you all a happy Students' Day. So now, who is a student? A student is someone who learns something. It is not only the education we receive from our schools, it can be anything. Learning a new skill, learning a new job, learning to play a new game and many more. We all are students. Are we idle students or yet to be an idle student? So now let's see who is an idle student. An idle student is a student with qualities such as self-respect, self-control, determination, hardworking, obedience and many more. An idle student is responsible in his or her life. He or she is not only responsible in the case of education, but in all the duties they are engaged in. And that is one of the most important things a person needs in their life. An idle student is conscious about their future goals and they are determined to achieve it. And they are hardworking each and every day to fulfill their goals. An idle student is time bound. For them, time is precious. As we all know, time and tide waits for none. So they are not going to waste their time. They are going to make their time useful, even a single minute. An idle student is broad mind. Moreover, an idle student is not selfish. He or she is selfless. They are ready to share their knowledge to their fellow students. Sharing knowledge only expands it. It does not decreases it. So always be selfless in your life and share your knowledge with everyone around you. An ideal student is not only the teacher's pet, he or she is proud of their parents and the pride of their nations. So, on this occasion of Students' Day, let us all think about ourselves. Are we ideal students or isn't? So, thanking you all. I am Nainika Manoj signing off.
Hi friends, I am Aisha Tufaiha of class 6A. Happy World Students' Day. World Students' Day is a global event celebrated on October 15 every year. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary is celebrated on October 15, and this day is in the memory of him. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam presided over as the 11th President of India in 2002 and was commonly known as the People's President. This day is dedicated to acknowledging the contributions of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to the world. Thank you.
My name is Fiza Firdaus of class 6A. World Students' Day. World Students' Day is marked on APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday, 15 October. In 2010, the United Nations declared 15 October World Students' Day. Dr. Kalam loved to spend most of his time with students. His affection towards the youth of the nation has made his birth anniversary the World Students' Day. The World Students' Day is commemorated as a day of children and youths, especially students across the globe. APJ Abdul Kalam's love for students finds best voice when he said, "Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action." He had also further said to students, "If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning." This day is celebrated globally to encourage and lead children and students in the right direction. School and colleges pay tribute and honor to Dr. Kalam and celebrate this day by celebrating Dr. Kalam's work and achievements. The government launches various welfare and initiatives for students. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Today is World Students' Day.
World Students' Day is celebrated every year on this birth anniversary of former President APJ Abdul Kalam on October 15. It is celebrated to pay tribute to the selfless contribution of Kalam towards the development of education in our society. On this occasion, we bring to you a brief history and significance of this day and how APJ Abdul Kalam played a pivotal role in its invention. World Students' Day history. Lovingly known as the People's President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a dedicated teacher, so much so that he returned back to teaching immediately the next day he completed his tenure of being a president. He ignited the minds of the common men, especially the youth. Even during his scientific and political career, he considered himself to be a teacher and always expressed delight in teaching the students. He was so involved in teaching that he took his last breath while delivering a lecture of IIM Shillong, where he suffered a cardiac arrest in 2015. It was his dedication towards teaching and his motivational quotes that inspired the students, and the UN declared October 15 as World Students' Day in 2010. Thank you.
श्वेत हरित कौसुंभ पुकारे कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम हर्षित जन गण गर्वित मन कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम श्वेत हरित कौसुंभ पुकारे कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम हर्षित जन गण गर्वित मन कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम देश नमन तुझे करता क्षण क्षण कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम है नतमस्तक सागर संगम कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम।
Students' Day. Happy Students' Day.
Hi everyone, I am Nabha Nuruddin. I am studying grade 1A. Today we are celebrating Students' Day. Education is our passport. The future for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. Happy Students' Day, all of you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aisha Zarif. I am studying in second A. Learning is creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Thank you.
श्वेत हरित कौसुंभ पुकारे कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम। हर्षित जन गण गर्वित मन कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम। कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम। कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम। श्वेत हरित कौसुंभ पुकारे कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम। हर्षित जन गण गर्वित मन कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम। देश नमन तुझे करता क्षण क्षण कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम। है नतमस्तक सागर संगम कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम। कलाम कलाम।
Good morning to all. I am Shenza Halima. I am studying 5th A in ISD Senior Secondary English School, Payyanur. Today, October 15, World Students Day. A happy Students Day to all the students. And let us wish our beloved President, Missile Man of India, a great motivational speaker, member of ISRO and DRDO, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Happy birthday and wish your soul be peaceful wherever you are. Thank you.
It is the birth anniversary of the great Indian scientist and former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. The aim of celebrating the day is to make students aware of the works of Sir Abdul Kalam. He loved students and encouraged them to learning. Thank you. Studying in 5th A. First of all, let me wish you Happy Students' Day. World Students' Day is celebrated today on October 15. That marks the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The day was first celebrated in 2010 to honor the students for their hard work and celebrations. World Students' Day every year is celebrated across the globe today. That is on October 15. The day is marked to celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It was first celebrated in 2010 in United Nations on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday when he was 79 years old. Today we honor India's most loved president by students. His work as an educator, a president and the missile man is quite an extraordinary one, but his favorite job was teaching, and that is how he wanted the world to remember him. On this very special day, let us remember him, and I wish everyone a successful life.